This is The Night Watch, painted in 1642 by Rembrandt van Rijn. It is one of the most famous paintings in Western art, and also one of the most misunderstood. Despite its name, The Night Watch does not take place at night. The darkness comes from time, layers of varnish that slowly altered the painting's appearance. But that misunderstanding fits the painting perfectly, because this work is not about clarity, it's about power. At first glance, we see a group portrait, a militia company posed for recognition. In the 17th century, these paintings were status symbols. Everyone paid to be seen equally, but Rembrandt refused to paint equality. Instead, he painted hierarchy. The captain and lieutenant dominate the scene. They stand in light. They move forward. Everyone else fades into shadow. Some figures are partially obscured, some barely visible at all. This was controversial. Rembrandt disrupted expectations and exposed a truth. Even in groups meant to symbolize unity, power concentrates. Now look at the movement. This is not a posed portrait. It's an interruption. Weapons are raised, drums beat, figures turn mid-action. The painting feels unstable, as if something is about to happen. That tension matters. Rembrandt isn't celebrating order. He's showing how fragile it is. And then there's the girl, brightly lit, out of place. She is not part of the militia. She carries a dead chicken, its claws visible. This detail is symbolic. The chicken represents the emblem of the group. But here, it's lifeless. A quiet suggestion that symbols of power are hollow without meaning. This painting isn't about protection. It's about performance. Who is seen? Who is ignored? Who controls the narrative? The Night Watch endures because it reveals something uncomfortable. Authority doesn't always look heroic. Sometimes it looks chaotic. Sometimes it hides in shadow. Silent canvas, where every painting whispers,